Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be showing you how to play the tune Bonaparte's Retreat on the fiddle. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one each and every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. As always, the timestamps are listed below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. And for access to the extended version of this tutorial where you can learn the version of the tune you heard just a minute ago with some added double stops, then head on over to Patreon. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. We are in the key of D major for this one, and this first phrase starts on D on the A string. And right away we had a slurred triplet. Moving on to our second phrase, again we're starting on our third finger D on the A string, and it goes like this. Alright, and that is the whole A part. So very short, just two phrases, but let's go ahead and play this part together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now moving on to the B section, we are getting into the lower range here, starting on an F sharp on the D string, and the first phrase goes like this. Okay, so lots of alternating notes there, and you may have noticed I used my fourth finger for that A, just so that I didn't have to switch to the A string, makes things a little bit easier. Moving on to this next phrase. So similar pattern there, same rhythm, and we have some more alternating going on there, and I also used my fourth finger once again for that A. And now that you've learned the whole B section, let's play it together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, well that was all of Bonaparte's Retreat. Short and sweet little tune, but there is an optional C part which I will be teaching in the extended version of this tutorial, so if you want to learn that, be sure to head on over to Patreon, and I'll also be teaching you how to throw in some double stops there as well. Also, if you're interested in taking a look at the sheet music for this tune, it's available in my sheet music library on my website, and the link for that is in the description box below as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing!